This is the multiplication table. How do you use it? Well, we're gonna explain. You can multiply a number from the most left column to one in the top row. For example, 5 times 4. The 5 from the left column to the 4 in the top row. They intersect at the 20. So 20 is the answer to 5 times 4. Another example is 7 times 6. This time they meet at 42. So the answer to 6 times 7 is 42.
We will tell you all about switch around facts. For example, 7 times 5 and 5 times 7 both has the same answer because both two number sentence has the same numbers. If you know 7 times 5, then you would know 5 times 7. Right, now I'm going to show you the think of the 3 times tables and then double it trick. So let's take an example as 6 times 8. So make the 6 times 8 into 3 times 8 and 3 times 8. I use 3 because 3 plus 3 equals to 6 and 8 is what we are multiplying it by. So this is 24, so this will also be 24. And if you add them together, it will become 48. So that's the answer to this. Now I'm going to show you another trick which is called the karate chop it trick. So let's take an example of 6 times 7 this time. So we'll make the 6 into 5 and 1. 5 and 1 is because I use 5 and 1 because 5 and 1 equals to 6. So both of them are going to be times 7 because we are multiplying it by 7. This is 35 and that is 7. So if you add these together, it will become 12 and then carry it away and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's the answer to the question.
Here's a trick for times 7. Split the 7 into 5 and 2 and then multiply them by 6. Five times 6 is 30. 2 times 6 is 12. Add 30 and 12 together and it's 42. So the answer to 7 times 6 is 42. Here's another trick for times 7. You can karate chop the 7 into 3, 3, and 1. Because these 3 together equal to 7. So just multiply each of them by 8. Three times 8 is 24. And 1 times 8 is 8. Add them together. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 8 is 16. 56.
For the karate chop it method, you first chop 8 into 5 and 3 because it's times 6, so both sides you times 6, which 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 times 6 equals 18. So the answer of it is 48. So the answer to this question is 40. 8 turned into 5 and 3 because 5 plus 3 equals to 8. 8 can be split into 4 and 4, right? So it equals to 4 times 9 plus 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals to 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. Add them together, it equals to 12. Carry 1 over. 1 plus 3 plus 3 equals 7. So the answer to this question is 72. I mean another example of the 8 trick. This from 8 times 5 you split 8 into 4 and 4. And you times 5 on both sides, which equals to 20. When you add them together, it equals to 40.
Here's another trick for 9 times table. For example, if it is 9 times 7, think of it as 10 times 7. It's 17. And minus 7 and it's 63. For example, if it is 9 times 8, then think of it as 10 times 8 and it's 80 and minus 8 and it's 72. How do you know which number to subtract? Look at the number sentence. For this number sentence, it's 7, and for this number sentence, it's 8. Here's a trick to the 9 times table. If it is 9 times 5, tuck down your fifth finger from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 45. Here's a trick to do 9 times table. If it is 9 times 7, tuck down your 7th finger from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 63.